Obago Twak mar mondo mi onon duoko mar penj mar KCSE maiga mokalo e Boma ma Mombasa. Jatend migawo mar Somo Ezekiel Mashogu ma oyore Twak kod jokanyo medo duoko penj ewi chenro ma oketo tieko pacho ka. Mashogu osebedo ka wacho ni duoko mar maiga mokalo ne ler kata kamano ewi duoko mag penj go Komiti ma otelne kod Julius Meli oyawo Twak kod jokanyo weche mag somo mano mar manyo yore mag dino rode kuo e mag penj. Wawinji ane kaka Twak timore e kaunti ya Mombasa.
Okay, to introduce ourselves, but I want to ask these members that because we have a lot to discuss with the CS and it's lunch break now, and most of the issues we'll handle will require in-camera, in-house.
And we have to go to
So I propose that we go for lunch, then come in, and then we will do the in-house or the in-camera discussion. Maybe before we make that decision, Honorable Tonke, introduce yourself, and Honorable Ibrahim Penanishis.
Thank you, Chair.
We don't
Rebecca
want a late
Tonke,
lunch. We can
now
delay.
County MP.
We can delay and finish this work. We can delay
I
the
have a
lunch.
question, but if you guide the way you've guided, I can ask my question in the next session.
Yes. So can we therefore go for lunch? Then I'll request our members of the fourth estate that I think you've gathered enough. You've had Waziri. He has said you've gotten his statement. If you need it, we'll give you. Then the rest is for us to really go into some few nitty-gritties that we wish to discuss in the next session. Asanteni sana the members of the fourth estate. Yes?
I hope we have executed it.
Yes.
Members, I'm informed, when I was out there, I was informed that I inform you lunch is not at the usual place. It is at the point just after the reception, called bistro.
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 Lunch, all of us lunch at bistro. Yes, that's good. We can go for lunch now. Members,